Салом алейкум муҳтарам ҷаноби олӣ Эмомалӣ Раҳмон. И победа барои 70-солагии президенти ма Тоҷикистон ман тақдим мекунам.
Round, throwing some big punches. Do you think he's just going back to what he's been doing for the last 10 minutes? Throwing big punches, getting into that. And Silva crumbled to the ground, is still on the fight, Michael. Look at that, he turns his stance, gets into that narrow stance, and he just spins through with that beautiful spinning heel kick right to the ground. He might have a broken rib, but look, you see that subtle little step with the left foot? Bang, and that heel clips the liver of Diego Silva, and he goes down. I mean, that was a devastating shot. That would put anybody down, Ron. It doesn't matter how tough you are, how rigid you are, how strong you are. I feel like he could have dropped the heavyweight with that kick. I mean, he spun through and he sparked him with that liver shot.
I guarantee in Thousand Oaks, California, Boss Rutan is celebrating. That was a highlight reel fashion, beautiful fashion. Another finish for him.
Champion Mouin Гафуров.
New bantamweight champion here in the LFA. Mouin Гафуров becomes the third fighter from Asia to win an LFA title. The party is going.
Якам шукрона Аллоҳ ки и победаро дома дод. Дигам ҳама хонагиҳои мудаккаи ММА, тим Хакиров ҳама бордар омада. Сеюм ҳама спонсорое ки маро дастгирӣ карданд. ҳамчунин ДМВ Auto Акаи Файз маро дастгирӣ кард. Oh, sorry, Diego Silva. Sorry, Diego Silva.
He's apologizing to Diego Silva. I'm sorry, Diego Silva.
Now, I wanted to ask you about your shirt. I'm not sure who this man is. I wanted you to tell everybody back home, who is this man that's on your shirt?
Салом алейкум Тоҷикистон. Салом алейкум муҳтарам ҷаноби олӣ Эмомалӣ Раҳмон. И победа барои 70-солагии президенти ма Тоҷикистон ман тақдим мекунам.
Congrats to Mouin Гафуров.
Dana White, Charles Shelby, give me the match chat. Please give me the match in UFC chat. I'm gonna show next time.
You heard the man.
Mouin Гафуров gets it done tonight in spectacular fashion. Good news, we saw Diego Silva walk out of the octagon, still grimacing, still in pain, no doubt about it. But we hope for a quick recovery for Diego Silva. But tonight, it was all Mouin.